Next poem from my book of celestial poetry, The Journey of My Spirit. It burns, oh phoenix bird. It burns like hell inside my chest. God damn it, I can never rest. It burns like hell inside of me. I'll burn this body to be free. My spirit burns and shouts, look out! I'm sick and tired of this blackout. And it transforms my whole being, so I am ready for receiving the love and light from God and from within, that after all these lives will win. It will bring peace and love and pleasure, 'cause those are real spiritual treasures. It will bring peace and love and joy for all the beings to enjoy, and all this love to radiate, inspire. I have to burn, go down with fire. I have to burn, go down with flames, call out God and other names. Then be reborn, like phoenix bird. Though this sounds utterly